How much does the parking place in the center of the Nicosia, the capital of the Cyprus, cost? 20 minutes free, from 20 to 1 hour 2 euro, from 1 hour to 3 hours 3 euro, from 3 to 5 3 euro 50, and so on up to 10 hours. After 10 hours it will be 50 cents for each hour. Oh, cool. The payment for the if you lost your ticket, it costs 10 euro. Do not lost it. They give it at the entrance of the parking place. Okay, let's pay for it. It will be like this. 3 euro. I need to pay one, not one, wait this, it refused to eat my 1 euro, and 2, it refused to take my 2 euro, okay, next time, yeah, 2, okay, I paid. I take ticket and now I can put it at the exit. Understand where is. No, it's not. It doesn't have cameras. Careful. It's a ticket. Okay.
New park.
New parking place.
New park.